Today's topic is gametogenesis. A word gametogenesis formed by two words. First one is genesis means synthesis or formation, and second one is gameto means gamete. Gametogenesis is the process of formation of gametes. Gametogenesis occur in male as well as in female. In case of male, gametogenesis occur in testes, while in case of female, gametogenesis occur in ovary. Male gamete is sperm, while the female gamete is ovum or egg. In male, formation of sperm is known as spermatogenesis, and in female, formation of ova is known as oogenesis. In this lecture, we are going to study about spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis process occur in a testes of male. In the cross section of testes, we can see the coiled tubular structure, which is very important in testes, and this coiled structure is known as seminiferous tubule, in which spermatogenesis process takes place. This diagram shows the cross section of testes. These large circular structures are nothing but the seminiferous tubules, and between the seminiferous tubules there are some interstitial cells. These interstitial cells are known as Leydig cells. Spermatogenesis process occur in seminiferous tubule. In seminiferous tubule we can see different type of cells. These are spermatogonia, primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, spermatids and spermatozoa. Along with these cells there are very important cell is called as Sertoli cell, or it is also known as nurse cell. Let's study about the spermatogenesis, how the spermatozoa or sperms are formed in the seminiferous tubule. During the development of embryo, primordial germ cell migrate in the testes and become immature germ cells. These immature germ cells are known as spermatogonia. In seminiferous tubule, spermatogonia form 2 to 3 layered structure, and which is based on a basement membrane. After puberty, spermatogonia divide by the process of mitosis, proliferate and differentiate into different stages to form sperm. The process of spermatogenesis occur in 3 phases. First phase is multiplication phase, second phase is growth phase, and the last phase is maturation phase. In the first phase, that is multiplication phase, primordial germ cell divide repeatedly by the process of mitosis to produce spermatogonia. Spermatogonia is a diploid cell. It means spermatogonium has complete set of chromosomes. In case of man, total number of chromosomes are 46. In the second phase, that is growth phase, spermatogonia stop dividing and grow in size to develop into primary spermatocyte, which is also a diploid cell. Primary spermatocyte grow in size due to the accumulation of food material. This food is provided by nurse cell or Sertoli cells. Now third phase begins, that is maturation phase, where primary spermatocytes divide by the process of meiosis. Meiosis is a reduction phase where chromosome number is reduced to half, and primary spermatocyte produce secondary spermatocyte, which is haploid cell. Means secondary spermatocyte has half number of chromosome, that is 23. Now each secondary spermatocyte will give rise to 2 spermatid by the process of meiosis second. Now from each spermatid, spermatozoa will form, and this process is known as spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis is the process of formation of spermatozoa from the spermatid. Spermatozoa remain attached to the Sertoli cell by cytoplasmic bridges. With the help of these cytoplasmic bridges, the spermatid takes food from the Sertoli cell and grow in size. During spermiogenesis, the length of spermatid increases and two centrioles are formed. One is proximal and second one is distal centriole. At the same time, mitochondria become spirally coiled and acrosome is formed from the Golgi complex at the anterior position of the sperm. Now about the hormone which influence the spermatogenesis process. We have studied that spermatogenesis process start at the onset of puberty, and the first hormone which triggers this process is gonadotropin releasing hormone, which is secreted by hypothalamus. Gonadotropin releasing hormone stimulate the gonadotropes of anterior pituitary to secrete gonadotropin hormones, and the gonadotropin hormones are follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Other than gonadotropin hormone, the early division of spermatogonia is carried out by the growth hormone. Now about the follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Anterior pituitary gland secrete both these hormones, LH and FSH. About the luteinizing hormone acts on a Leydig cell, and Leydig cell will convert cholesterol into testosterone hormone. Testosterone hormone influence the formation of primary spermatocyte and secondary spermatocyte. Now about the follicle stimulating hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone secreted by anterior pituitary gland, and it induces the Sertoli cell to convert testosterone hormone into estrogen. This estrogen plays a crucial role in the process of spermiogenesis, where each spermatid will convert into a sperm or spermatozoa. In this way, two testes form 120 million sperm per day, which are stored in epididymis. Small quantity of sperm is stored in vas deferens, and these are stored at least for a month. So this is all about spermatogenesis.